really happy to introduce you guys to Brad Zinker. You might have seen some of his work on our website before. We've been working with Brad probably over 2 decades now. Corey, the founder, has been buying knives from him for a very long time. I'm really happy to be able to continue that relationship. Brad makes legit some of my favorite knives. We really call these like elegant, gentleman's folders. Really beautiful. A lot of them here that you're gonna see, the ones here are gonna be zirconium bolsters, and then you'll see them in kind of 2 different variants. Some are gonna be in stainless Damascus Damasteel blades, and then you'll see actually some here in MagnaCut. Most of the time he's doing 154. This is gonna be MagnaCut, so this is the first time we're seeing MagnaCut in these. Some sandbar stag, and then a lot of what he does you'll see in the mammoth ivory. Just beautiful blades. There's gonna be some variations here as well. These are gonna be his front flippers, which he does really, really well. And then there's gonna be some also ones here. They're just your typical kind of front flippers. A little bit of variations as far as size, shape, kind of really just varies a little bit there. The other variations you'll see is he's doing now 2 floating backspacers here that match the same Damascus that he's using in the blade. It's kind of really nice small detail work, and then other these are kind of his typical backspacers you see on these designs. So just kind of vary. It's kind of the small details of Brad, right? So he uses some really cool techniques here. He's actually using lasers to do the jimping here and the texture on the liner lock, which most people don't do. It's gonna be kind of hand machining. And he also does laser for the jeweling on the inside. So we'll show you some close-ups here on the jeweling on the inside of the liners, but it's beautiful, beautiful work. And it's kind of just all the attention to detail. If you want a really like classy gentleman's folder, I cannot recommend Brad Zinker's enough. He's been making the knives for a really long time. He licenses out some of his designs to Civivi, to Boker, and some other brands. But these are knives that he makes himself. Really low production numbers. It's definitely a grail knife for me that I definitely want to own. He's been around a long time and just makes stellar work. These never stay long in our stores when we do get them. So we'll definitely have these up on the website. This will be your opportunity to snag a few. Like I said, stag handles, your mammoth ivory, and then all the ones you see here are going to be all zirconium bolsters.